how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
All right.
I'm
I'm sorry.
surprised to see you
Why are you surprised to see me?
because I didn't see the name of the person who was going to be joining for the session, no?
Oh, okay. Okay. But I'm
So
not
nice to see.
surprised because I have booked the session. Nice to see you too. Like after a long time, we are having a
Yes.
session.
I know.
I think your slots are mostly available in the morning only, and I don't like prefer having sessions in the morning. But today I thought let's change something, and unfortunately, my health, like I'm not well, so sorry, I
Acha, what
joined
happened
little
to
late.
you?
No, it's just that weather things.
Acha, theek hai.
How is
So it's
everything
cold.
over there in Mumbai?
Mumbai, it's cold these days. Uh,
Really?
um, I think the
I'm
past
surprised.
2 3 days it's cold. But I think um, Mumbai winters are not, how do I say, cold, no?
There is no winter in Mumbai. You know what? Last month only I have been there in Mumbai, and I like being a
I was there in
Nagpurian.
Mumbai.
Yeah, I was there in Mumbai, and like you know, that time there was like weather was cold in Nagpur. So we thought
Hmm.
let's bring our sweaters and jackets and when we reached there in Mumbai everything was just so hot and we didn't
Last
even
month was
like
not, was not
no
last.
but people were saying that there is no winter season in Mumbai. It's the same all the time. And I was like, okay.
Unfortunately, because of global warming now,
Hmm.
there is winters have reduced. Earlier, November used to be cold. Even December, much of December used to be cold. But
December used to be
now,
very cold. Yes.
hmm, but now it's
I
reduced.
think 2 years back here the temperature of Nagpur in the winter season was like almost 3 degrees or something. That is the last one. Yeah, 2 years
That would have
back.
been during
But
the
this,
pandemic
yes, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the 2020, I think. Yeah, in 2020.
in 2020. Huh? Must have been in the pandemic. Because during the pandemic, I think in 2021, it was pretty cold in Mumbai, and winters started earlier. But now, I think.
Okay, then how do you feel like it starts getting cold in Mumbai? Then how do you feel?
For some reason, I don't feel very cold. 21 degrees.
Oh, I
I
think
think the
it
temperature should
should.
reduce at least 10 degrees more for us to
Ha,
feel
10
cold.
degree or less than that. Then maybe you can feel okay, it's cold now. Otherwise, it's just normal only.
Ah,
Okay.
and because we are on at the sea, na, coastal, na.
Ha,
Mumbai is a
ha,
coastal area, na. So
yes,
that's why I don't
maybe
think
that's
you
why.
will ever feel that cold. That's
But
nice.
yeah, you should feel nice because it's something different from uh cold and humid. Like uh heat and humid. Cold is pretty well. It's better, I think.
Uh,
It's good for your health also, and you feel good. That is the reason people going out in winter season for vacations and all.
so how
What
have you been?
else? I have been great. Great means not just not so good, but yeah, it's fine. It's going good. Not major happened.
Nothing major happened though.
Yeah. How was your Christmas? Did you celebrate? Did you go somewhere?
Uh, no, I was at home.
Okay. Same like me.
Mm.
I was home too. I was at home too.
In fact, I don't even realize it's Christmas till the time it was 25th of December.
But why so in Mumbai? Like, why just Christmas? Every festival or every coming party reason becomes huge, and people are like, "Oh, it's Christmas. Let's go somewhere. Let's do party." For New Year also, there must be some
Let's
plans.
do party nahi. Let's party.
Let's party. Okay, yeah, let's party.
I think the reason Christmas is celebrated more is because it is a global festival, because more people in this world are Christians, and it's a global festival. And that's the reason why Christmas is celebrated. Diwali is also celebrated pretty strongly in Mumbai.
No, but Christmas should celebrate where there is like Christian people or the culture is there. But here I'm talking about India. Diwali is not vastly celebrated in other countries.
Huh, but
They celebrate when they are Indians only. But we, not
we
being
celebrate
the Christian
everything.
people, also we celebrate Christmas also, and we are so much excited. Like let's
I'm
go to church and all. Even we don't know anything about church, still we go to church and we pray. It's good. I'm not saying it's bad, but
not sure about church, if people go to church or not, but I think people celebrate Christmas.
I have seen here in Nagpur or in India, people go to church also, and they don't know they don't know anything about it, like how to pray, and they have their rituals, right? In
Uh,
so normal people or Hindu people don't know, but still they go, and it's good. But I think why so much affection about the foreign culture, and because they are not adoring our culture and they are not celebrating Diwali and everything. So yeah.
uh,
I
okay.
think nowadays it's mostly because we are having corporate holidays because we are working for overseas
Uh,
clients.
I think that could be the reason why. I think that could also be a reason.
If that is the reason, then it's fine. At least we are celebrating our holidays and we are being happy, and it's fine.
A lot of companies, they give holidays throughout this period. So when I was working with in my last company, we had I think from 20. I'll tell you when. From 24th. So the last working day was 20. No, last working day was 17th of December,
Oh my
and we
God.
resumed on 3rd of uh, January.
It is more like a 15 days holiday, like more than Diwali. Okay. No, I think it's fine. Nowadays also companies are giving from 25th to 1st of Jan holidays, like from Christmas to New Year, but from 17th it's too much.
Uh,
But wow, it's good. Great. I
I think
like
the
this time
reason
there.
why
Mhm.
you are right. The reason is because of people working in multinational companies.
Ah, yes, that's why. And I think they are celebrating this only festival throughout the year. That is the reason they are taking this 15 days holidays maybe, and they are giving us also because uh, indirectly we are working from them. If they are not available, what would we do?
Right.
So yeah. But for Diwali, they are not even like accepting 1 day holiday also. It's bad. I have very bad experience of this holiday things. I think when we are, but anyways, we're working
I
from
get your
them, so
point. We
we
should
will
get
not
holiday for
mark
Diwali
a
also, right?
question. Yeah,
Hmm.
I also I always complain to my managers like, why can't we ask them that we should get at least 2 to 3 days holidays for Diwali also. They are like
2 to 3 days holiday. Days is
two
already
to
plural,
three
no?
days holiday for Diwali also. Yeah, days holidays. No. Okay, so he was like, we are working from them for them. They are not working for us. So yeah, that's how it is.
I get your point. You're right. Here we get 2 days holiday on Diwali.
Ah, wow, it's good. I
So
think
sometimes if
yeah, it differs from client to client also,
ah
and your rapport with the client also.
true. That's nice.
Now, what else you're doing like apart from Clapingo?
Unfortunately, I'm between jobs right now, so I'm only on clapping right
Okay, in between job means switching and searching.
now.
Oh,
Searching.
you we are on same club then. I left my organization. I'm
We are
also
in the same
searching.
club. Ah,
Yeah. I'm also searching for jobs right now, attending interviews. It's a very bad process, I must say. Bad in the sense it's a lengthy process. We are just hopeful, or we are just waiting for HR's calls and something. And what is most irritating is you need to call HR and ask them what is the status. What is the status? That is,
Uh,
I'm not liking this a lot, but
I used to do that. I used to call the HR to understand what is the status, but I realized that after a point of time that at least I've stopped calling the HR now. I feel
but
that if they have,
yeah, now that's what I also think. Actually, this I'm thinking since starting only. But my friends are keep telling me that why are you so stubborn? Why you have a lot of ego? You should call them and ask them, no? And I'm
a
like, it's not
lot of
about
people do it.
ego, but when I'm selected, why are they keeping me on hold? No, they should just directly tell me that you are selected, you will get an offer letter, or they should just tell me that no, you are not fitting in our criteria. That's it. It's very simple. Why there is a lot of
Drama.
I don't know. Yeah, drama, or I don't know what is the best way to say that, but yeah, it's tricky. It's
No,
not a good process. It should
it's
change.
not a good process. They should at
Yeah.
least call a message you that you have not been selected. It
Yeah,
helps.
because you know what happens if you are selected, then you are not taking efforts to like prepare for the next interview because you think that okay, I'm done with that. Why should I prepare for more interviews and why should I give? Because anyways, I'm not going to accept two offer letters at the same time.
True.
Yeah, but that's how it is. Let's see when it will get resolved or when it will get settled.
I'm going to give you feedback.
Yes.
Okay, very nice, Arushi. It was really good speaking with you, and you spoke very well. Here and there, some mistakes are still happening, which I thought would not
Again,
be happening in
articles.
not articles.
Oh,
Um, Here and there, mistakes are happening with small mistakes happening with sentence structure and grammar, but they were pretty small mistakes. I think practice is what you do. Now, when I say
yes.
practice, here it is your exposure to English. You need to be exposing yourself more to correct English. That is reading, watching movies, series. That is what's needed right now. Because the English is anyway good.
Yes.
The polishing will only happen if you're exposing yourself to correct English. You yourself practicing speaking will not be helpful because you won't
Yes,
know if you're
yes.
making a mistake or not.
Yeah.